They say if we'll only avoid any
confrontation with the enemy, he'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
Well, what do you know? I'm back with another video. And I'm feeling pretty good today, y'all. I'm feeling pretty good today. Even though it was a rough Monday, you see the shirt, the Las Vegas Raiders been making some moves. I have been making some moves. Got a pretty good receiver and Naylor. Got two good linebackers and Dean and Quan Walker. We got a Pry on the end. We paid $1 gazillion for a center. All right. Maybe get one more running back. Get beef up the secondary. Hey, we might be able to do a little something, Raiders. Okay, I see you. But I know you didn't get on this channel to hear me rant about football because we got a long ways to go for that. We still got the draft. Probably gonna grab Mendoza. So we need a line, right? We need some position players. We got Bauer, so let's see what happens. But like I said, you didn't come here to hear me rant about no football, so let me welcome everyone with one great big aloha. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the new subscribers, continued subscribers. It's Emoneyshoes here, back with another review. Now you already know what you gotta do. You gotta hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, tell a family member, friend of a friend, so we can hit 10K by Thanksgiving. Not long as Christmas want to do our giveaway by Thanksgiving, so the sooner we can get these subscriber counts up, the better I can be. YouTube, you just gotta let me get in the algorithm. Start pushing me out, YouTube. Pretty please, it's been 2 weeks. I've been going strong. I just need to get a little as they would say, J.E. Also, as you may know, like I said, I'm looking for another intro, so you know somebody out there, send them my way. I can do an intro or an outro, either way, but I'm looking to change things up a little bit. Also, go follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF. Follow both of them on YouTube, IG, and Facebook. If you do want to do that as well, you can follow whohastheheat on IG and YouTube. Right, we got plenty of battles up on YouTube. We got a little bit of something for everybody. My personal favorite lately has been the Battle Royals. It's just basically shoot for shoot. You vote for the shoe that you like the least, and whoever gets 3 strikes, out over the top rope you go. So it's a good fun in that. If you just want to battle somebody, hit us up in the DM. We can do that. We can set up a specialty battle. Whatever you want to do, just give us a little bit of time. Generally, we just do our battles on the weekend. Now let's get into the shoes. This week I see we got some decent stuff coming out. We got some shade Gilders Alexander, some pink joints. You got some pink Kobe 3 lows coming out. You're also supposed to have the green Spark Travis Scott. I haven't seen them loaded up on the app. Maybe they're gonna load it at the last minute. Then you got the Tiana Taylor done Jordan 3, whatever they poison ivy branches, whatever they call, retailing for $280.
Bruh.
Man, $280. But considering, I mean, sound like something like that, some shoes, if you really want them, you just gotta bite the bullet and go ahead and get them for $280, because hype is probably on that shoe and you probably gonna end up paying more. So it's one of them things where you either pay me now or pay me later for those. And then last but not least, you have the Jordan 13. You can say white and red. Some people call it a cherry. Some people call it the Chicago. Those shoes, I don't know, they just don't get much respect. I think they're gonna be like no more than $215. So I don't know. I don't have to have them. But if the Navy Exchange get them, then I will cop them from there. Other than that, I ain't put no more effort in for that shoe. I'm not doing raffles, anything like that. 13s are very comfortable. They are underrated for whatever reason may have you. It is a Tinker Hatfield shoe, and he just basically modeled it off of the Black Panther, or just a Panther, so the Black Panther. So enough of that. Now let's get into the review. I still owe y'all that full review. I just waiting for a couple more shoes to come in that I copped in February, and then I will get it out to you. I'm just so excited to share with you everything I copped, so then you can get the gist, because February was just something serious. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. I already knew when this arrived, this box was heavy, heavy, heavy. And you see that? You already know what time it is. You already know what time it is. It's the sign of a bin. It's a size 9.5 because I can do 9.5 in a 6. As you can see, this box has some weight on it. These shoes retail for $350. I tried to get it for that, but it just wasn't meant to be. So I got a pretty good deal from GOAT. Like I said, I always GOAT try to reach out to me and give me some type of thing because I buy so much from them. So I try to take advantage of it. Like, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours. So here we go. You got the red, you got this little pull tab. Just slide it out like so. Look at that.
What is that?
I mean, look at that. That's pretty steady. You can probably knock somebody out with that done box. And then you have a card inside. Kind of tell you a little bit of stuff. If you want to do, you can read that. Check it out. Give it a little time. You can catch that. On the back, you can pause that and read that like so. You got your 2 dust bags. You got GOAT. And you got these two little things. I guess this must gotta be for the shoe trees. You got your nifty, pretty sturdy dust bag. This is pretty cool. And man, when I tell you this shoe is premium, just like in the words of Damn D, it's premium. Boy, is it premium. You just get the smell as you come out of the box. And here we go. Bang, bang. I present to you the Jordan 6 bin. My, make it say my, just like Johnny Gill. Boy. And you didn't know, right now they teasing us. They saying you got a BIN8 coming out. Gotta have it, and definitely gotta have the BIN4. But right now it's all about this 6, and I'm getting my little workout because with this wooden shoe tree inside, it is heavy. Woo, man. You smell that premium leather. All right, this kind of similar to the Jordan 5 all black pretty much shoe. Real good leather here. You got some pretty, I think this, what is this on the tongue? I thought it was, this might be suede. Look like suede on the side. But as you already know, the Jordan 6 makes the 2 and the 3 right on the side. This spoiler on the back, because you know Jordan was in the sport cars. 3, 4, 5, 6, as we already know. Tinker Hatfield, and you get the air unit. Now you see the air unit under the shoe is kind of red. I think it was very, very dope. And you kind of got this bluish tint. Look under the bottom. You got your Jumpman. You see that bluish tint and black. So it's very, very dope as far as that, because you ain't got to worry about getting dirty. You got your red hits. You already know red is the favorite color. So of course I ain't mad at that. You got this premium tongue, and then it kind of snaps in right here. You see the red hits right there. And you got a chrome to your dome lace lock. And it has a Jumpman. I don't know if you can see it, but it's on there, trust me. And then you got some red tips. They pretty heavy too on the laces. I ain't gonna be doing no lace swap with this. And then you also have Jordan on the tongue. And like I said, you got the spoiler on the back and the BIN famous signal or sign, the insignia that's always on the shoe. Now what's also make this shoe so premium, now if I can get it out of here, this is gonna be the interesting part. The wooden shoe trees is what make this shoe so heavy. If I can get it out, you don't want to work with me that much. So some of the other ones, they had that little pull thing on it. You can get it out. But, alright, there we go. We coming. It's working with me here. There we go. This done thing. Look at that. Keep your shoe intact. Got your Jumpman right there. Oh, so I guess you just got to pull it underneath. I think the other ones I got in there, you got a little thing on you to pull it out. But as you can see, keep the shoe nice and premium. Somebody come up on you, you can give them a little whack across the head, probably can knock them out. Let me see the insole. Very interesting. I don't know what kind of insole it ain't. It ain't like a cork, but it's very interesting on the side. And then I should have worn my glasses because I can't tell you what is what. I'll be back. Y'all know Emoneyshoes kind of blind. I can't tell what's what, but I need to be able to tell. It says BIN23, and it says out of 2,300, look like I have 994. So not bad, 994 out of 2,300. I like these side panels. I don't know if I showed you the medium side, but look at it. Check it out, check it out. Ooh-wee. Got to be more careful. Let me see what else you got in here. You got a little stick. I think you got the, so you on one side, you don't know if you can see that, you got your, with the number of your shoe, and on the other side, you actually have the size tag on this. But this shoe is pretty heavy because it is premium, like I said. Now, other than that, I ain't gonna be putting the shoe tree in there right now because I ain't got time to do all that. But we just gonna get into this. Far as the price point, $350. I'm gonna give this 3 out of 5. Maybe it could have been 300, but 350. I mean, yeah, you got a dust bag. You got this thing for your shoe trees. I think it's for the shoe trees because I can't see you putting the bags inside or on top of anything. So it's got to be for these wooden inserts. But like I said, 3.3. I'm going to get a 3 out of 5. Right, 3 out of 5. Now, as far as comfort and design, these things are A1. I can't give you nothing less than a 5 out of 5. Five out of 5. Now overall, what we want to give this shoe, because of the price, is going to bring it down, but we're going to do it on the curve, and we're going to give it a 4.9 out of 5. You heard it here first. 4.9 out of 5. You let me know, was this something you were trying to go out, or you something still on your radar? I just got this OCD or something about completing the set. So the set is complete. So I'm very happy about that. So leave a comment suggestion below. We can chop it up. I always give back to everybody. Until the next one, we out. Peace.